believe that a way to address properly the circular economy for batteries is to extend the life of batteries that can go through either a design that allows the battery as it is manufactured and as it is used in its first use to last longer. That can be a way forward, and several companies which are members of Recharge actually actively work on trying to extend the life of the batteries and place batteries in the market with a longer life. To address this is to allow the possibility that batteries that have lived the first time, if you will, in a first use, can be again used either for the same use or possibly for a different use, which may require some repurposing work, by the way, because when a battery is designed for use number one, is optimized for use number one, it is highly unlikely that it is optimized for a different use. So some amount of repurposing may be required to allow the battery to work properly for the second use. We are very much in favor of this, but also we need to be a little careful, and we try to deliver the message that we want to make sure that entities who would do this repurposing work have the necessary know-how and qualifications to do this. Batteries are equipment that store energy, possibly a lot of energy, and if improperly, and certainly if repurposed not properly, could be a source of risk for the end user in that second life. We need to strike the right balance between the ability to have these batteries used a second time, but limit that repurposing job to fully qualified entities and personnel, trained entities and personnel.